So I have a habit of going outside after a shower, which is pretty stupid. So now I done caught something, whether it's the sniffles. I woke up like, why am I in pain? Face hurting, ear hurting, head hurting, eyes hurting. So now I gotta fix that issue quickly before it gets stronger. So here's my most powerful cough drop known to man. I got ginger, lemon, honey, cinnamon, turmeric. Is that it? Pink salt and cane sugar. That's it. You're having a cold, ginger. You got sniffles, ginger. Nausea, ginger. Stomach issues, ginger. Ginger is also known to be a very powerful antibiotic. So anything you got, ginger. Ginger, 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 ginger. Get ginger and you're gonna be alright. Ginger.